In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit on TradeW. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside your platform, you want to go and where you can see the overview tab, you want to click on that, and then here you can click on this deposit button. Now, here you have to first select the account you want to deposit onto, so either MT4, MT5, or a TradeW account. I'm going to just use this one over here, and then you have to choose your deposit channel. So you could either use TRX over here or Tether, which is USDT. Okay, so that's completely up to you. So for example, let's just say I want to go with TRX over here. I'm going to click that here, and then it's going to basically tell you to only transfer TRX, and this is very important. Do not mess this up. And then here you have to select how much. Let's say I want to do $100 worth of TRX, or you could just switch over to TRX and set that amount. Okay. Here you could go ahead and do others if you want to as well, and then you'll be able to see your exchange rate and your estimated amount. And down here, this is very, very important. It's going to say which network you have to use. So don't mess this up because, of course, if you use any other network, as it says over here, this may result in the loss of your funds, okay? Now, of course, only transfer this specific crypto you select and then the correct network. Click on the deposit button over here. This is going to take you to a separate page where you'll receive your own wallet address and then your own QR code over here. And then the network over here is also going to be shown. Okay, so make sure you use the correct network. And then all you have to do is just open up one of your wallets where you are holding some of either TRX or USDT, whatever you're trying to deposit, and then just go ahead and click on the send button inside that wallet, search for whatever you want to do. So for example, like TRX or let's say USDT or whatever you do, and then just basically paste in your your address over here, you copied here, and then you'll be able to go ahead and do the deposit, and you'll be able to see your amount, your funds on here on your account. So that's how to deposit. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.